You park your car, lock it, and walk away. But that small doubt lingers because you never really know what could happen when you're not around. And that's why a dash cam with a hardwired kit matters so much, since it keeps monitoring your vehicle even after the engine is off and activates true 24/7 parking mode that records motion, and that gives you solid proof if someone bumps, scratches, or tampers with your car. And the best part is you don't have to overspend because there are great options at different price levels. Today we're looking at the 5 best dash cams with hardwired kit. Purchase links are in the description for your convenience. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. For your peace of mind, you need ultimate protection, and in that case, nothing really beats the Thinkware U3000 Pro, backed by 30 years of trusted innovation. This dash cam stands out with its crystal clear 4K Ultra HD front camera and 2K rear camera, delivering sharp, detailed footage day or night. It's powered by Sony Starvis 2 sensors on both cameras, along with Super Night Vision 4.0, ensuring excellent visibility even in low light conditions, perfect for dim parking lots or nighttime driving. One of the biggest highlights of the U3000 Pro is its advanced dual radar parking mode, a game-changing feature that actively monitors motion with precision while significantly reducing power consumption. Combined with 24/7 parking mode, motion and impact detection, and energy-saving technology, your car stays protected around the clock. It even records 10 seconds before and after an event, so you never miss what matters. Plus, it comes with a hardwiring kit and built-in low-voltage protection to prevent battery drain while maintaining continuous surveillance. What really sets this model apart is its expandability. With a USB-C port, you can easily upgrade it into a complete vehicle monitoring system by adding accessories like an LTE module for remote access or an interior IR camera for in-cabin recording. On top of that, it supports fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity through the Dashcam Link app, allowing you to instantly view footage, download clips, and receive alerts right on your phone. It's also worth noting that Thinkware is an official dashcam supplier for BMW and Mercedes-Benz, a strong testament to its reliability and ability to meet strict automotive quality standards. Compared to others, the U3000 Pro excels from every angle, offering top-tier video quality, the smartest parking protection, and future-ready expandability. If you're looking for a dash cam that's always on guard and delivers total peace of mind, this one clearly takes the top spot. Right after the U3000 Pro, the Ark 900 from the same brand stands out as a solid option for continuous 24/7 protection, especially for drivers who want the best value from their dash cam. This dual-channel system features a 4K front camera and a 2K rear camera with Sony Starvis 2 sensors, delivering clear, detailed footage in both day and night conditions. With the addition of Super Night Vision 4.0, it further enhances low-light recording, making nighttime visibility even more reliable. One of the key highlights of the Ark 900 is its large 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen, which makes it incredibly easy to navigate settings, check live footage, and instantly play back recordings, and manage recordings directly from the device without needing your phone. It's a practical feature that adds convenience to everyday use. Its biggest strength, though, is the low power parking mode with smart battery discharge prevention. This allows the camera to monitor your car around the clock without putting your vehicle's battery at risk, making it ideal for city parking or long trips. It also comes with a hardwiring kit, so it connects seamlessly to your car's power system while managing energy efficiently. While it doesn't include the built-in radar-based advanced parking detection like the U3000 Pro, it still provides excellent protection through motion and impact sensing. For connectivity, it supports fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth through the Dashcam Link app, letting you easily check footage, download clips, and receive updates. You can also transfer data directly via a USB-C cable connection. On top of that, all Thinkware dash cams, including the ARC 900, undergo 144 rigorous in-house reliability tests, ensuring long-term durability and dependable performance. While the U3000 Pro remains the top pick with its advanced radar-enabled parking mode, the ARC 900 comes in right behind it as a practical, reliable, and more budget-friendly alternative that balances strong video quality with smart battery management. Stepping down slightly in ranking, the Blackvue Elite 10 is a premium dual-channel dash cam with excellent optics and smooth 4K front video. Its Sony Starvis 2 sensor captures 12-bit vibrant, detailed footage, making it great for both day and night driving. Parking mode is supported through an optional hardwiring kit, allowing continuous monitoring with motion and impact detection, though it doesn't include the radar-based parking mode found in the U3000 Pro. What really makes the Elite 10 appealing is its cloud connectivity. You can stream footage live, receive instant notifications of incidents, and download recordings remotely, adding an extra layer of convenience and security. The wide-angle front and rear cameras also help reduce blind spots, ensuring you capture more of your surroundings. Now, compared to the ARC 900, the Elite 10 lacks a built-in touchscreen interface, meaning you'll rely more on your smartphone for navigation and playback, whereas the ARC 900 offers a more hands-on experience with its 3.5-inch IPS display. However, the Elite 10 makes up for this with its advanced cloud features and seamless remote access. So for drivers who want reliable footage, excellent clarity, and the convenience of staying connected to their vehicle from anywhere, the Elite 10 is a strong choice. It may not match the U3000 Pro's radar-powered parking mode or the ARC 900's touchscreen usability, but it still delivers impressive 12-bit recording with solid parking protection. Next up is the Viofo A329S, a dash cam that brings 1, 2, or 3-channel versions with smart power-saving parking features. This camera uses Sony Starvis 2 sensors with up to 4K at 60 frames per second on the front and 2K on the rear for crisp, detailed footage while driving. And that actually makes it great for catching license plates and incidents clearly, day and night. It also supports 5 parking mode types, including hybrid parking recording, low power impact detection, time-lapse, auto event detection, and low bitrate recording, all of which are designed to keep recording events when parked without constantly draining your car's battery. With the optional hardwire kit HK4 or HK6, the A329S can be connected directly to your car's fuse box so it automatically switches to parking protection when your engine turns off. Plus, in low power impact mode, it conserves battery by staying in standby and only waking to record if something hits or moves around your vehicle. Well, compared to the Blackvue Elite 10, it doesn't offer cloud connectivity or remote live view, which Blackvue does very well. But in terms of core video quality and flexible parking mode options with a hardwired setup, the A329S stays competitive. May lack radar-assisted detection and advanced battery discharge protection like the Thinkware, yet for drivers who want strong visuals and efficient parking coverage, it remains a solid choice. Closing out our list is the Nexar Beam2, a smart dash cam that takes a slightly different approach to parking mode by focusing heavily on cloud connectivity and app-based monitoring. The Beam2 records in 2K QHD resolution with adaptive frame rates and includes built-in sensors like GPS, so every clip is accurately time and location stamped. It also supports parking mode when connected via a hardwired setup or OBD cable. Once your trip ends and the vehicle stops moving, it automatically switches to parking surveillance, helping you capture incidents even while parked. What really sets the Beam2 apart is how deeply it integrates with its app and cloud services. Through the Nexar Connect app, you can receive real-time notifications, access cloud-stored footage, and even stream clips remotely. Now, compared to Blackvue, The Beam 2 offers a similarly cloud-focused experience with live streaming and remote alerts, but it leans more toward simplicity rather than premium video depth like 12-bit recording. On the other hand, when compared to the Viofo A329S, the difference becomes clearer. The Viofo focuses heavily on raw performance, offering up to 4K at 60 frames per second, multiple channel options, and 5 different parking modes like time-lapse, low bitrate, and impact-triggered recording. In contrast, the Beam 2 doesn't provide that level of flexibility or high frame rate recording, but instead prioritizes ease of use, automatic cloud backup, and seamless app connectivity. So overall, if you prefer a blend of intelligent notifications, cloud-based features, and a more connected driving experience over maximum video performance or highly customizable parking modes, the Nexar Beam 2 stands out as a practical and modern choice to round out this list. So that wraps up our video on the 5 best dash cams with hardwired kit for 24/7 parking mode. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're interested in any of these dash cams, be sure to check the purchase links in the description below. As for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.